Why do you look tired and what to do about it? If these are the two questions on your mind, then today's video is going to answer these just for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Radhika Kopikar and I make new videos every Monday related to skin and hair health. So if you're interested in some authentic information about your skin and hair, do subscribe to the channel. So you may all know that eyes are central to any communication. When you talk to people, you use your eyes a lot. So any changes happening in this area, that is the periorbital area, gives rise to a tired or a sad or a depressed look. So why does it happen? This skin around the eyes is the thinnest skin of all your body. It is only about 0.4 millimeters. When compared to the skin on your palms and soles, this skin is about 1.6 mm thick, whereas the skin around your eyes is just 0.5 mm. Along with this, there is another important factor that there is no subcutaneous fat in this area. So these two factors, that is thinness of the skin and the lack of any fatty tissue in this area, also makes this skin very, very thin and translucent. That means that you can see through it. So any dilatation of vessels in this area or deposition of melanin, that is the pigment cells in this area, will be seen more than in any other part of your body. So this happens because of aging, and aging of the under eye area or the upper third of the face is faster than the lower face. It is also more common in females, and another factor is that people with darker skin color, darker hair color and dark eyes will also have a higher chance of having a periorbital hyperpigmentation, that is dark circles. So dark circles is the main reason why you start looking tired or sad. People may also ask you that haven't you slept well, you're looking tired. So this is because of dark circles in most cases. So now I will be telling you why does dark circles happen, and there are 10 major reasons why you can have dark circles. So the number one reason for dark circles is allergies. So if you have a constant irritation or itching around your eyes or in your eyes and you feel like rubbing them all the time, you may be suffering with an allergy. It could be an atopic dermatitis or contact dermatitis, which are commonest reasons for periorbital hyperpigmentation, which is dark circles. Nickel allergies or allergy to fragrance mix, which we find in cosmetics or skincare products, could also be another reason for this allergy. Other causes for allergy are dust, pollen. So take care of these factors. For this, you will have to visit a dermatologist or your ophthalmologist to understand the cause behind it and treat it accordingly. It is important because constant rubbing of this area may lead to deposition of melanin or eczematization or allergy, redness, puffiness. This will definitely lead to an unhealthy look to your periorbital or your under eye area, leading to dark circles and tiredness. The second most common reason is dehydration. So make sure you consume at least 2 to 3 liters of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. So I often tell my patients to keep a water off bottle next to their working station so that they don't forget sipping water. Nowadays, because of long working hours, we are at home, and working from home, it can be tough, and we often forget simple things like drinking water, and we keep postponing it. So the easiest way is to keep a bottle of water next to you, so whenever you feel thirsty, keep sipping it. Do not be dehydrated, because that's also a reason that you may have a tired look on your face. Third reason is excess salt intake. Yes, when you consume a lot of salt, your body retains water. This excess of water may stretch the skin under your eyes, which is actually very thin, and lead to puffiness. So this will also give rise to a tired looking eye. So you must learn to reduce the salt intake in your diet. Do not use table salt. Do not add salt on top of your cooked food. Don't add salt on your fruits or vegetables. Avoid eating packaged foods because they are loaded with extra salt. Also, you can shift to a low sodium salt and unsalted butter. So these are certain tricks I follow to reduce the salt intake in my diet. Excess caffeine or smoking can also give rise to tiredness. This is because nicotine causes vasoconstriction, that is, the blood vessels around your eyes and in this thin skin area will get constricted. That means less of blood will flow in this area, which will give rise to a pale looking, unhealthy under eye skin, which will also start looking tired. Caffeine also gives rise to puffiness, and when you wake up the next morning, you look tired. So I would strongly suggest to cut on your coffee intake also. Reason number 5 is stress and strain. Yes, so stress and strain also gives rise to tiredness around your eyes. So make sure that every 20 minutes of working on your laptop, you gaze away. So look away, look at a very far point, preferably something green, and focus on it for some time, and this will relax your eyes and the muscles around your eyes very well. So keep doing it throughout the day. Stress also increases the melanocyte stimulating hormone. Yes, that's the hormone that will stimulate the melanocytes, or the pigment producing cells, and the formation of pigment in this area. So therefore stress also leads to increased pigmentation. It may be throughout the body as well. Therefore any kind of overthinking, emotional liability, tiredness, fatigue also gives rise to dark circles. The next reason is drugs or medicines like vasodilating drugs or eye drops used for glaucoma, minocycline, antipsychotic drugs, chemotherapeutic drugs, and gold are some of the medicines that can cause dark circles or periorbital hyperpigmentation. Vitamin K deficiency. This is also a very important factor for dark circles because vitamin K is important for blood coagulation. So if you have a deficiency of this vitamin, you may end up having small hemorrhages or breaks in the blood vessels and capillaries around your eyes, which will then start looking dark because of the thin skin on the under eye area, which is translucent. You can see through it, so you will be able to see these small hemorrhages under the eyes as a darkish pigmentation there, and therefore dark circles. Reason number 8 is hormones. So people who are taking hormone replacement therapy or are on contraceptives, are in pregnancy or menstruation, may also end up having darkness around their eyes. This is because of the hormone induced stimulation of the melanin pigment. Lifestyle choices like alcoholism and sleep deprivation, that is sleeping very late or not getting enough sleep, will also lead to dark circles. Alcoholism or increased consumption of alcohol and lack of sleep lead to vasodilatation, and this will also increase the appearance of your dark circles. The 10th and the most important reason can be constitutional, that is a familial or a genetic reason. That means that many members in your family have an under eye area looking like that, and it is constitutional, and it is not because of any other reason but because you have the same genes as your other family members. I hope this video gave you a deep insight into dark circles, the reasons, why it happens, how to take care of it, how to prevent it, and you will be better equipped to understand this condition and go to a dermatologist for the right solution. Take care, stay tuned, do subscribe to our channel, it means a lot to us.